Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Devorsi Jana, consultant biostatistician and young scientist. Today we will discuss introduction to statistical analysis. So let's watch my video.
In today's video, we will be diving into the fascinating world of statistical analysis. Whether you're a student, a data enthusiast, or a professional in any field, understanding statistical analysis is essential for making informed decisions based on data. So, let's get started. What is statistical analysis? Statistical analysis is a powerful method used to interpret, summarize, and draw meaningful conclusions from data. It involves collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data to uncover patterns, relationships, and trends. It helps us make informed decisions, test hypotheses, and answer research questions. But how does it work? Let's find out. Key concepts of statistical analysis. Statistical analysis is built on key concepts. The first is descriptive statistics, which involves summarizing and describing data using measures like mean, median, and standard deviation. It gives us an overview of the data. The second concept is inferential statistics, which goes beyond the data at hand. It allows us to make predictions or draw conclusions about a larger population based on a smaller sample. This concept is often used in scientific research and surveys. Steps in statistical analysis. Statistical analysis follows a systematic process. The first step is defining the research question. It's crucial to clearly articulate what you want to investigate or learn from the data. The second step is data collection. This involves gathering relevant data using various methods like surveys, experiments, or existing databases. The third step is data cleaning and preprocessing. It's important to ensure the data is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. This step involves removing outliers, handling missing values, and transforming data if needed. The fourth step is data analysis. Here, we apply statistical techniques such as hypothesis testing, regression analysis, or data visualization to explore relationships and patterns in the data. Finally, we have the fifth step, interpreting and communicating results. This is where we draw conclusions, make inferences, and present our findings to others. Applications of statistical analysis. Statistical analysis has widespread applications across various fields. In healthcare, it helps identify effective treatments and determine risk factors for diseases. In business, it assists in market research, forecasting, and decision-making. It's also utilized in social sciences, environmental studies, sports analytics, and many other areas. Tools for statistical analysis. There are numerous tools available to conduct statistical analysis, ranging from simple spreadsheet software to dedicated statistical packages. Some popular ones include Excel, SPSS, R, and Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Regardless of the tool, it's important to have a solid understanding of statistical concepts to effectively analyze and interpret data. And that wraps up our introduction to statistical analysis. We covered the basics, including what it is, key concepts, the steps involved, and its wide-ranging applications. Statistical analysis is a powerful tool that can unlock valuable insights and help us make data-driven decisions. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We provide full thesis guidance, publication in NMC-approved journal, data analysis and interpretation, and scientific support. If you have any paper or publication-related problems, or if you need any assistance or help with your dissertation and thesis, contact us via email or call us at the given number. Thank you. See you next week with another video.